It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're here at 845 Main Street, Unit 2, East Greenwich, Rhode Island. It's a second floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent, newly renovated throughout. Starting our video touring when you walk in. To my right, got your kitchen area here, granite marble countertops, plenty of cabinet space, brand new built-in microwave, brand new electric stove, new flooring throughout, stainless steel refrigerator, undermount sink, big picture window facing Main Street in the EG. Here you got a huge living room area, new light fixtures, big windows for plenty of natural light in here. Please note you do have forced heat and cooling as well. Built-in air conditioning is always a must in those summer months. You have bedroom number 1 here, big enough for a queen set, possibly a king. Good sized closet there. Bedroom number 2, facing the back of the house as well. Also big enough for a queen or a king set. Full bathroom here. Shower tub and vanity in the corner. Like to apply for 845 Main Street, Unit 2, East Greenwich, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. If you don't want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.